Okay, so I want us to see something, to observe something too. Now as we hover around, you can see here that it is reading it under inches. Okay, so this can tell that you are under paper or layout view. Okay, so this layout is very important. So let's try to zoom this back. So you click here to fix zoom out, keep fixing zoom out, zoom out. There's another tool we need to check that will enable us to view the what do you call it, the scale of our work. Let me search for it. Standard, it's called the standard tool. So we'll check the standard tool. Standard tool too is very important. So you learn how to arrange your tools bar. Now what we'll do is, I want to highlight this where my work is. So I'll pick this arrow, not this arrow for editor. If you pick it, it won't work. So what we'll do, we'll pick this, or you decide to come to drawing and pick this arrow. You click here, you see that this line, the square rectangular, the rectangle here is highlighted. Okay, so I want to fix zoom out, and I want to be observant of the map scale here. So see, you see it's smaller the map, the bigger the scale, and the bigger the scale, smaller the map, the details of what it will be covering. Okay, so after doing that, I just asked us to turn on standard. Okay, so we come back to our under our layout tools, we'll slide here to change layout, select change layout. These are, you have my template, architectural pages, paper size, sorry, we have isometric A paper sizes, you have the North American paper sizes, and you have a lot. You have traditional layouts, you have the options, you can select to see options. Okay, you can actually click anyone. Suppose you want to click this, just click next. It asks you to specify. You can specify layout, empty, and all that. Maybe let's hit on finish and see. Now there you have it. It automatically click, it fills in a lot of data. It has automatically picked your legend too, and it says double click to enter text. You can enter, and then you have layers too. You have double layers. Now you can actually use this arrow we are on it. You can click here to scale. You can decide to bring it to your screen to look larger. Okay, but I don't want to use this already, make us to learn how to create everything. Okay, so we'll come back to this layout view. Sorry, this the change layout. Let's continue. We have industrial, you have the USA, maybe you have a place that align, you have the wall. These are all layout types. Okay, this is the end. Okay, so we are going back to ISO. We'll pick A4 landscape MXD, apply. OK, you say finish. Okay, so there we have it. You see, it's adding up this addition. We are choosing the traditional layer, so we right double left click on it, and then we delete it for now. We don't need it. Okay, so this is what we're having now. So what we'll do is that we'll do some adjustment. I'll left click on this, and then drag we drag by left clicking and dragging to adjust a little. Okay, now this is where our map will be. Then if you want to adjust this map inside this rectangle, you use this pan, you pan inward under the tools. But if you use the one under layout, you pan the entire paper. Okay, so this scale is still 1:5000. We can decide to bring it to 6000 to more, maybe no, let's take it back to 4. Let's see. No, it's outrageous. let's take it to 500. Actually select this pan and pan carefully. Now it has it's better to here. Now we want to add up another layout here where you can type the titles, the legend, true not, and all that. So what you do is come to insert and you click on data frame. You adjust the size to your taste. You also adjust. So we want to do some arrangement here. So what you do, you right click, you go to properties, then you come to general. For this data view, highlight and delete, you apply and OK. We want it to be empty, so we'll add another data frame. Maybe for the legend, this should be the title, this will be the legend. Let's adjust it to outline. Right click, go to properties again, delete the name, apply OK. Then maybe this will be the title, the institution, and this one will be our legend. Then maybe we'll have a scale, date, and drawn by so. Then the title will be under drawn by this person. Then we'll come to add another. We'll adjust it to where we want, or to what we want. You keep adjusting. You can zoom in. Okay, you right click again, go to properties, and you delete. Okay, we need it empty. You can actually make it to look nice by aligning it to align with what is up here. So we'll add up another. It depends on what you want to do. Okay, so you can have a lot of data frames that will house your legend and the rest of them. Okay, right click, go to properties, you delete this and you apply OK. If you want to add text into each of these layout, you have to highlight it by left clicking. Okay, so now see, when I hover here, if you check our skill here, you discover that it's showing unknown unit. Yes, but once we highlight this one where our drawing is housed, you see that it's giving us the right scale where we do reference. Okay, it means this layout, we don't need your referencing for them. It's just an option to text to write your text and your legends. Okay, so we'll click here and then I'll come to insert. I'll say insert title. It brings on, say, what title would you like to give your map? Maybe we'll say the base map or context map. Let's call it base map. Base map of the University of Jos. You can put main campus if you want, main campus. Then we'll click on OK. Now you adjust it here. Okay, so now if you want to add it up, we'll come to our draw. You have the size, the font size. If you don't have your draw, you right click here, you locate draw. So you come to your font size under 16. You can choose to take it to 22. See, just to make it look larger. 22 is too large. Let's take it to 20. I think this is better. You adjust it in. If you want to bold it, okay, let's adjust it. Let's justify it properly. You can bold it. I think this is good. For the text style, I think we should leave it under default. It's fine. Okay, that's base map of the University of Jos main campus. That is okay. Now for this portion, we'll decide to insert text. So you insert text. Just type, let's say it's urban, though it will be minute, urban planning studio. Then you click outwards, then you adjust it here. the text is